Hi everyone, it's Jaylyn from Jaylyn Cooking, and today I'm going to make an anti-pasta salad. That's what I like to call it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to salt and oil the water. I have it pre-boiling right now. So I'm going to take some olive oil and put a little bit in there. And then I have some salt here. Put a little bit in there. And I'm going to add in my pasta. And then while that is cooking, I am going to cut my onion. I'm using a red onion for the onion. It has a little bit more flavor to it. Just go ahead and just chop it up really thin or small. All right. I'm taking some summer sausage that I chopped up and some hearts of palm, about 2 or 3. Since I'm gonna do about 2 because I'm making a small batch. Chop it up very fine. Actually, I'm going to add one more big one here. And then I'm taking artichoke hearts. And you can use as many as you like. If you like it, you can use the whole can. Or you can just use a couple, or you don't have to add it if you don't like it. I'll take about a stack of salami. It and then quarter it. And then olives, garbanzo beans or beans, cheese. I have a mixed cheese, Colby cheese, and a pepper jack cheese. And I got these at the deli at Winco, and it was already cut up. Alright, so I'm gonna stir up a little bit of the pasta in here so it doesn't stick. And now I'm using grape tomatoes. They're little baby tomatoes, and they're really sweet and delicious. And you're just cutting them in half long ways. So. And depending on how much tomatoes you like, you can put in as many as you like. There we go. All right. I don't like to make the pasta too soft or too hard, so this is perfect for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and dump it in the strainer. Now, just to show you real quick, I'm using this nice little strainer here, but I put a little bamboo stick in the sink and set that on top of the bamboo, so it has a little room between the strainer and the sink. Fill it up with cold water because we're going to put it in the pasta, or the pasta in the bowl, and we don't want hot pasta. And I usually fill it up a couple of times so that it cools down really well. And I'm mixing up the pasta once you put the cold water in, because only the top is going to be getting the cold water. So if you mix it up a little bit and then pour more cold water, then you get the warmer pasta. It's almost ready. I think one more will be good. It also helps to get the water out of the pasta too. We can also shake it a little bit. Shake it up. Alright, and then we're going to add it to our pasta dish. Oh, I think I got a little small one. Alright, so now we got it in our bigger bowl. So I'm going to take a measuring cup. And I'm going to put so I'm using Olive Garden Italian seasoning, or Italian dressing. It's the dressing they use on their salads at Olive Garden, so if you like that salad dressing, I think it's the best. It's my favorite. And I'm doing it about 3/4 of a cup. And going to add a little bit of garlic. About 1/4 of a teaspoon. About 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And then a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. You're going to mix that up. And pour it in. And then mix it up. And then basically you want to go ahead and refrigerate it overnight before you eat it. That way it soaks in and absorbs all the flavor. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and serve it up. Alright, there you go. Your anti-pasta salad. And let's try it. Very good. It does have the delicious flavor of the salad dressing in there, and it's really good. So as I said, if you really like the salads that they have at Olive Garden, you can buy that at the grocery store in the bottle form, and I think they also have a light version, so if you want a light version, you can also get that. But there we go. And thank you again for tuning in this week. And remember to hit the like, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you can see when our next shows are happening. We're going to try to get it done every Saturday to premiere at noon, so stay tuned. And you guys have a great week. Bye.